Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install and set up PyGame in Visual Studio Code. So first of all, I have created a new folder in my desktop in PC, and I've already opened a file over here that I've just named hi.py. So I've just write the simple one over here, and we will go to terminal, and you will open the terminal, and we need to text type this one, install PyGame. Enter. So as we can see, it's starting to download over here. Give it a little time. Okay. So it's all done. You will have it ready. You can just run it after this is finished. Okay. And I hope this video has helped you. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button so we can see you in our next video. Thank you.